Hi guys, we're back and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video where we're not using these, okay? We're not doing foundation today because it's sweltering in the UK today. Today we're peaking at 27 degrees and in the UK that's basically, you might as well say it's 900 degrees because it feels like death. So we're not doing full face, we're not doing foundation today, we're just evening out the skin tones and putting a bit of makeup on to feel good, but not overloaded. Not feeling like I can't touch my face, okay? So if I'm sweating, I can be like, oh, I'm hot, yeah? Not no touching and dripping, okay? So if you want to see how I got this makeup look as a girly with a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my skin as well, then keep watching. And now let's get into it. Let's get into it, guys. So I am boiling hot. It's a million bajillion degrees in the UK right now. The temperature is 23 degrees right now, okay? Please rain. It hasn't rained in weeks, but I can only take 3 days max. And then we need a bit of misery, a bit of cold. Then we can rinse and repeat, you know? And I've got to get on the train today because I'm going out to see my friends. And purely for that reason, today we're doing a no foundation makeup look because, like I said, it's far too hot outside. You know, I'm going to be struggling, so we don't need to be doing the most. I'm not really a no foundation girly, okay? Because I have a bit of discoloration on my face, like around here. And to be honest, just talking about it, the discoloration doesn't upset me or anything. Honestly, I don't really mind the discoloration, to be honest, but let's just smoothen it out anyway. So first thing I'm going to go in with is probably some sunscreen. So let me go get some sunscreen, okay? Right, so I haven't got any fancy SPFs. I'm literally just going in with the Hawaiian Tropic Sun Cream in SPF 30. So I'm just going to go on the main part of the face and on my forehead. Okay, so we're SPF'd out. So let's go in with the MAC Strobe Cream. So we still want that luminous look, even though it's going to be a bit of a sweaty day. I want a bit of that luminous look. This is in the shade, I actually don't know what shade this is, but it's the bronzy shade. I'll show you. It's that bronzy shade. So they all have this strip. Oh yeah, Bronzer Lit. So just going to rub that into the face. I'm rewatching Insatiable on Netflix with Debbie Ryan in it, and I know it was a bit controversial because it got cancelled because I actually really enjoyed it and I was waiting for season 3. Yeah, then I found out it was cancelled because of the controversial topics on it. It's just funny. It's a funny show. You should give it a watch. If you just feel like laughing, then watch it, but if you're a bit more on the sensitive side, it's probably not for you. Refy. We're going to put on our face. We're not going to put it everywhere. I'm just going to put it, because we're going like a more no foundation, I'm just going to put it on parts of my skin to just even out the tone. Okay, so just on the cheeks, and I would put it here, but in the sun it's just like a spot which I always touch, because when I get sweaty or feel hot, I just always touch this area of my face. I don't know why. Don't ask. So we're not going to put anything there, so let's just press that. And then with my finger, just picking a bit of the product and just put it where needed. One pump should be enough. So we just get rid of the slight blemishes, even out my skin tone a little bit. I'm just going to build it a bit on this side though. Lovely, lovely jubbly. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. It's not super dark, but we're just going to give me a bit more of an orangey kind of bronzed look. Okay, and then we're just going to put some down the nose as well. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get a darker one of these, but it will still do. It'll still do a bit of the job. I just want more of that orangey, more warm toned look of my skin rather than cool. I got my hair done like a few weeks ago. It wasn't even that long ago, guys. I went to like Mexico, like Rotan and Miami. I got my hair done like at the end of July, like maybe last week. Right now, it's probably been almost 4 weeks, not even 4 weeks yet. And it's really like just messed up. It was really cute. It was all like braided and then like boho braids kind of at the back. Now it's all like tangling together. Like the braids aren't as sharp anymore. And it's because obviously I went in the ocean. And honestly, as much as I loved it, it was Fungali, I think it said Fungali braids. As much as I loved it, I don't feel like it was tight enough. I feel like it needed to be tighter on my head. Like, you know, like pulling my scalp off. That it feels like, okay, this is going to stay in for the rest of my life. Sorry guys, just going in with my Rare Beauty blush in Lucky. Today I'm going to find a new one so we can start switching it up because I always use this in like every video. Blush on. Now we're going to do a bit of concealer under the eyes. This is probably the most heavy makeup we're having. So I'm going to go in now with the Charlotte Tilbury concealer in the shade Tan. And then this Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie. It's like a darker banana powder. You want to see? Just because we're not doing that ultra bright look, I'm not doing such a heavy look today. We're doing subtle. So let's put that on. So I'm just going to put literally like 3 dots maybe. Not even 3, just a dot on each eye. No, we'll put in 2 dots. And I'm just going to let it sit because I want it to dry a little bit. Because this concealer is a bit more on the slippery side. I find it's not so fixed in one place. It doesn't just dry down. I'm just going to spray my face with this Fix Plus spray. That will help it matte down because this is matte. It down, okay? And while we're waiting for that to dry, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue for my eyebrows. Just to shape them up a bit more. So I'm just going to stick them up as you do, and then across the top. Same with this one. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the concealer. And I'm like having that think now, like did I put too much on? Probably. Under the eye. So we're just going to put some of that setting powder under the eye. Guys, are there any more shows out there? I need a new TV show to watch. I've already watched like everything. Literally. And now just to bring a bit of colour back, I'm going to go in with this MAC powder. NW45. So just to smooth that out a bit more deepness into it. And then nail some contour. We're using the Too Faced in the shade Chocolate Lava. Just to bring a bit of depth. And then just down the nose. And then across. And last step, a bit of blush. And I'm going in with this orange blush right here. Smiley blush moment. And then a bit on the nose. We're going to go in with mascara. I literally just got this. I got 2 of these for £25 from, I don't know where I got it from. I think it was from, oh, Look Fantastic. From Look Fantastic. I got 2 of these and I thought they were travel size. Full size NARS mascaras for 25 quid. That's pretty good for these. So I got 2 of those. So I won't be running out anytime soon. So I've never used them before. I mean, it looks like it's doing a good job. Let me zoom you in. It's giving quality mascara. Also, I'm going to get my hair dyed red again at the start of September. I'm missing the red. And also coming to the season of autumn anyway, I think it'd be cute. Well, on this eye is the mascara, on this eye no. It's a good mascara, guys. So if you're able to, go on Look Fantastic. Seriously. There are some good, fabulous deals going on there. Not vlog, sorry, say hi to the makeup video. Ava says hi. Hi. Ava got into uni, by the way. She got into Manchester Met. I'm very happy about it. Yeah, so she's happy. Alright, see ya. Okay, so now bottom mascara. I'm not sure if you just saw me, but I just went in with my Mario palette with these 2 neutral shades with this brush just under my eyes, just because my eyes crease if I don't put eyeshadow on it. If I don't put eyeshadow there, my eyes crease because for some reason when I just have setting powder there, it doesn't crease for a while, but eventually in the day it will start to crease. So I need a bit of eyeshadow just to get in those crevices. And that's the makeup done. That's the whole base and everything done. We're just going to go in with this, I don't know how to say this, but Gipsy gloss. It's actually not gloss, it's oil, I think lip oil. And I don't do any lip liner when I don't have a full face on because I look weird, I think. I probably don't, but in my mind I look a bit odd. So we're just going to put this on the lip and be done. And to finish this all off, we need to put some setting spray on. So we're going to be using the All Nighter Urban Decay. This has a bit of temperature control in it. So hopefully we'll be staying as slick as possible all day. This is the makeup look done. Thank you for watching my video today. This is how we're dealing with the heat. Please like and subscribe if you liked today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!